Introduction. JavaScript is a key tool in web development with numerous built-in functions. The JavaScript ParseInt function is useful for converting strings into integers. The JavaScript ParseInt function, ParseInt, converts string-type variables into number-type variables. JavaScript is a loosely typed language, allowing variables to be easily interchanged between types. In certain situations, explicit conversion is required. ParseInt facilitates this. Basic syntax and usage of ParseInt. ParseInt takes two parameters, the string to be converted and the base to which it is to be converted. The base parameter is optional, defaulting to base 10 if not provided. Example, var string number equal 123. Var integer number equals parseInt string number, console log integer number, outputs 123. Working with different bases. The base parameter is useful when working with different numbering systems, such as binary base 2, octal base 8, or hexadecimal base 16. Example, var binary number in 10, var integer numbers parseInt binary number 2, console.log integer number, hash outputs 6. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. ParseInt starts parsing from the left and stops at the first non-valid digit. Ensure the string passed to ParseInt contains only valid digits for the specified base. Always specify the base when converting strings with leading zeros to avoid confusion with octal numbers. Example, var string number equals 0123, var integer number equals parseInt string number 10, console.log integer number. Tips and tricks: always specify the base to avoid unexpected results. Ensure the string passed to ParseInt only contains valid digits for the specified base. If the string cannot be converted into an integer, ParseInt will return nan, not a number. Use the isNan function to check the result and handle any errors. Conclusion. Effective use of ParseInt can enhance the flexibility and robustness of your JavaScript code. By specifying the base and ensuring the string contains only valid digits, common pitfalls can be avoided, making code more reliable and easier to maintain.